Sneakerheads, check this out. The legendary New Balance 998 Navy Gray made in USA is back. Timeless navy and gray colorway. Handcrafted with premium suede, leather, and mesh for durability and a luxury feel. Made in USA craftsmanship that's built to last. Absorb cushioning means all-day comfort, no more sore feet. A classic 90s aesthetic with a modern refresh perfect for your rotation. Limited edition, collector's favorite, and effortlessly stylish. Would you rock these? Let me know in the comments, like and follow for more sneaker heat.